Hi guys! In today's video, you will learn how to install Elementor theme in WordPress. So without further ado, let's start. First, open your WordPress dashboard. And then, tap on Plugins. After that, click on Add New. And then you can see the search bar at the top. Just type Elementor. And then you can see the search results. You can see the first option, Elementor Website Builder. Just click on Install. You want to make sure that this Elementor Website Builder is activated. That's it, Elementor is now installed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.